What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Nike account. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Nike. Good. Apparently all of these are ads, so I'm just gonna scroll down and I'm gonna click on this particular one. So make sure you guys do the same. Okay. Yes, I accept. And at the top, you have the option to help, join us, sign in. Click on join us. Okay. Uh, Scroll down and click join us again. Okay, now we can begin. So, you guys need an email address. So, make sure you fill that in. Good, now, you guys have to create a password. Okay, so they have some requirements for their password. So it says here minimum of 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number. So I don't have the uppercase letter, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, now it's good. So yeah, now you guys have to fill in your first name, now last name. Okay, now fill in your birthday. Okay. Now you guys have to select your region. Mine is good. Select your gender, male or female, and click join us. And you're good to go. Your account is created. Now you can shop your favorite items and I don't know, save your orders, all that good jazz. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.